Yes, it does.
No, day by day, special, day by day, special breed of the boys and girls are coming. Special breed of the boys and girls are coming. Day by day, special breed of the boys and girls are coming. And these breed of the boys and girls are really jacked ass. It is there. Yes, clearly something it is there. Atomic structure I am only teaching, and still they are entering in the class and they are asking it is in backlog class it is there or what the class it is there. One best example I'll tell you, best example, because I am good storyteller, teacher plus a storyteller, so therefore one good example I'll tell you. Example is that when I have joined in the BPC new in September, in month of September I have joined 2018, and then I have shifted from IIT and then joined in September, too late. And for you know very well that in the BPC, classes start from the April only. April only starts, but 1.5 month will be bridge course only, and then from the June or the July they'll start. From June started, I joined in the month of September. They told me, you take stoichiometry. I started stoichiometry. And at that time, Mallardi sir was not knowing that a new lecturer has been joined. My class was the morning class, 8 o'clock. Mallardi sir class was there in the afternoon class. For 15 days, I have taken stoichiometry. Mallardi sir has taken stoichiometry, but single member has not reported that we both are taking stoichiometry.
Oh my.
Oh no.
15 days we have taken. I am taking my track only. I am
Yes.
taking my track only, but Mallardi sir was not aware that some other lecturer is there. So he's also taking stoichiometry, and his track was there regarding here to start organic chemistry. Organic
That
chemistry,
is
15 days. 15 days organic chemistry he has not started. And then when examination approached, then started panic call, press call, button calls are there, na? Giving ring to the principal, and then parents are coming to the college. What is this? This much portion they have given you, people have not started this and that. Then when myself and Mallardi sir, we both were called separately, and then question was asked, Sanjay Singh, what you are teaching? I told what administrative team has given me a slip. I have shown them slip. This is the slip they have given to me, and
so don't allow.
based upon that slip, I have taken the class for stoichiometry. Then Mallardi sir asked, they asked to Mallardi sir what you have taken. Then he told, I am continuing the topic. I am continuing the topic because I have taught atomic structure. So I thought that at atomic structure, I have to go for the stoichiometry. So I have taken stoichiometry. This was the condition. 15 days they have not informed. Even they have not informed to me, okay, my class is there in the morning. Na? When afternoon, again, some another sir is teaching stoichiometry. Again, next day morning, they can call me and tell me, no, sir, some other teacher teaching stoichiometry. This new breed of the boys and girls are coming. And I'm having fear with this type of the breed. I'm having horrible fear. This breed won't open mouth. Won't open mouth. Just before examination, they becomes active. Their parents become active. Their parents become active. I was completely shocked. Yesterday evening, when I got a message from a girl that, sir, you have not posted the PDF of electrolysis, was completely shocked. I have not posted till now. Single member has not reminded me. Maybe from A section, maybe from B section, because on Monday only I have told them that Tuesday I'll definitely go for electrolysis. Come with the preparation, come with the reading. That is the condition. Now all of you open objective fourth. Straight away objective fourth. Straight away objective fourth. Objective fourth. Let us go for question number 7. Let us go for the question number 7. Let us go for the question number 7. Question number 7. So if I am going for the question number 7, if I am going for the question number 7, for your understanding, can I write this as an Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Clearly
Yes,
in the
sir.
question they have given that something is X. This value is X and this value is Y. No, sir, how shall we get that information that whatever the value is X, how shall we get the idea, sir, this is X or this is X? How shall we get the idea, sir, that whatever the value they have given, this is for the X or this is for the X? Clearly checked in the question, they have given X and then they have given per mole. Check properly.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Per mole clearly indicates X is for only one. X is only for the one. Here we are having one or the three?
Three.
Sir. Please, sir.
Three. And therefore here I'll go for 3X. Whatever is the phosphate, it is there checked in the phosphate. They have given the value Y. Check, they have given per mole, only for 1 mole. But here we are having 2 moles. So can I say for calcium phosphate, this is the molar conductance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question is asked molar or question is asked equivalent? Tell me.
Equivalent.
Equivalent.
Equivalent conduct.
Can I say equivalent conductance is, I'm sorry. So can I say molar conductance is equal to equivalent conductance into N factor? Can I say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
So from this, it's very, very clear that this is nothing but 3x plus 2y, it is there. And this is nothing but equivalent conductance. Can anyone tell me based upon this, what is N factor?
6.
6, sir.
N factor is nothing but a total charge. Total charge may be on the cation, may be on the anion. So this is not the total charge. This is not the total charge. This is total charge 6. This is total charge 6. So total charge is a 6. And then therefore, can I say this is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In objective 4, some 3 or 4 questions are there of this type. They are guarantee questions. These are the guarantee questions. They are the guarantee questions. That is the reason why I am making it. Once copied, let me know.
Done, sir.
Now I'll go for the question number 8. I'll go for the question number 8. Question number 8, you try to help me, because if you'll help me, you will learn the subject. You learn the subject. They have given equivalent conductance of Al plus 3 is a X, and that of the SO4 minus 2 is a Y. And question is asked, calculate the molar conductance of the water, aluminium sulfate, it is there. Molar conductance of the aluminium sulfate, it is there. So now first I'll go for the equivalent conductance. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Now question arises, in this case also they have given X and Y. In this case also they have given X and Y. Again question arises, this is X. Again question arises, this is X or this is X. Or this is X. Question arises. Clearly in the question they have given per equivalent. This is called as a per equivalent. This is called as a per equivalent. This is only called ionic conductance. Ionic conductance by charge is called as a per equivalent. Ionic conductance by charge is called as a per equivalent. So in this case, this is called as an X. This differentiation you should be in the position to know. Otherwise, chances of mistake will be what? Very, very high. So straight away, this value they have given as an X. Straight away, this complete is called as an X, and this complete is called as a Y. So we got equivalent conductance as a what? X plus Y. Again, same formula. Equivalent conductance into N factor is a nothing but equal to molar conductance. In this case, question is asked calculate molar conductance. So equivalent conductance, just now we got x plus y and n factor. What is n factor in this case?
6, sir.
6.
N factor 6. Again, this is the total charge. This is the total charge 6 and 6. And that is the reason why this is the answer. Any option is there?
Third option.
Third option. Now I'll go for the question number 9. Question number 9.
Done, sir.
Question number 9. I won't go for the straight away first question number 9. Question number 9 first I'll twist, and then after that I'll go for the question number 9, because you should observe the difference. You should observe the difference. Then only you will get the idea how to solve the question. How to solve the question. Question number 9 is just like our Kohlrausch law, where I have told you add x plus y plus z. The question which we have done last week, correctly, the same type of the questions are there. So now clearly given as in what? Barium hydroxide. So first I'll go for the ABCD for you. ABCD for you. So it is barium hydroxide. It is there, correct? So this barium hydroxide, and this is our question mark. Let us assume this is question mark. Let us assume this they have given. I am saying let us assume this is a question mark, and the given is barium chloride. Given is potassium hydroxide. Given is potassium hydroxide. And given is KCl. Check, this is only given. No?
Yes,
Let
yes,
us go for the barium chloride. Barium chloride is assumed as an X. So barium chloride is assumed as an X. Potassium hydroxide is assumed as a what? Potassium hydroxide is a Z.
Z.
And this as a Y. Forget the question. Forget the question. Suppose this is given. So can I say whatever this barium part it is there, barium part is coming from X, can I say?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here I will write X. Now I'll go for the hydroxyl part. Hydroxyl part is coming from where? Coming from
Right.
potassium hydroxide. Here requirement is a 2. Here requirement is a 2. But here it is given is 1. Requirement is 2. Given is 1. What shall I do?
2Z.
2.
Multiply by 2. And therefore, here I'll go for the 2Z. When I am multiplying by this 2, this is becoming 2 potassium. Can I say 2 potassium?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this, when we are combining these two, we are getting 2 potassium Fal2 and 2 Cl minus Fal2. Yes, 2 potassium is extra, 2 Cl minus is extra, or 2 moles of the KCl is extra. Now I want to remove the KCl. So what I will do? I will
Minus 2y.
Minus 2.
Can I say
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
very, very careful. Now same question is there. Now I am changing. Now I am changing. By this question, you will get the beauty. You will get the beauty. And after that, I will tell you how to proceed. Simply, I'll go for the straight away. Check the difference. Straight away. Sir,
Equivalent conductance
what
of
you have-
molar.
that's correct. Equivalent conductance or equivalent is nothing but normality concept. Equivalent weight concept or the normality concept does not includes number of moles. Does
Yes,
not
sir.
includes number of moles. And
Normal.
that is the reason why I have not multiplied here by 2, not multiplied here by 2. So very, very careful in the question. This is question 113. This is question 113. Very, very careful in question this type. When they have given in equivalent, asked in equivalent, straight away addition or subtraction. No need of multiplying here too. Although here only one OH it is there, here 2 is required, but no need of multiplying. Here we know very well that here 2Cl is there, here only 1K is there, but no need of multiplying. Why? Because equivalent weight concept does not involve number of moles, does not involve number of the particles. So therefore, multiplying with a suitable integer is the property only for the water molarity or the number of the moles for the water molar conductance it is there. So multiplication and division comes in picture only if they have given equivalent, you are transforming into molar, or they have given molar transforming into equivalent, as we have done in question number 7th and 8th. Question number 7th and 8th. Otherwise, if they have given what equivalent and question is asked in terms of the equivalent, then straight away you are going for the adding and subtracting. Anyone doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now I'll go
Excuse
for
me?
one. Tell me better.
Sir, in the 9th question, the answer should be the first option, right?
Which question better?
The 9th question, sir, the one that we solved before.
Question number 9. What is the formula for the molar conductance? What is the formula for the molar conductance beta? Molar conductance is nothing but equivalent conductance into
Equivalent
n
conductance
factor.
into n factor. Yes.
Equivalent
Got it.
conductance we got x plus y. Equivalent conductance we got x plus y. N factor is 6, so x plus y into 6. First option is x plus y by 6. Difference is there into 6 and by 6. Where you were there, beta, when explaining you?
No, sir. I asked the 9th question, sir. That is the 8th one. The molar conductivity
You are
for
asking.
base.
I'm sorry. I too have on the sorry. I'm very sorry. I too have explained on the blackboard question number 9th only. 13th by mistake I have written. I too have explained on the blackboard question number 9th only. I too explained question number 9th only. For question number 9th, answer is second option. Answer is a second option. Just know in the Greek language on which I am having good command, it is there. In that language, I have mentioned clearly, if they have given equivalent conductance and question is asked equivalent only, simply you have to go on adding them. Whatever this explanation I have given to you, written this side and this side, there I have clearly mentioned molar conductance is given and molar conductance is asked. Okay.
Yes, sir. But the answer at the back that they've given is third option, so it's a key correction, right?
I'm not bothered regarding key, beta. Why bothered regarding key?
Okay.
The equivalent so
Yes, sir, they asked molar and asked
about
equal.
equivalent conductance.
Oh.
They gave molar, sir. They asked equal.
Okay.
Only three only, sir.
That is there. Okay. Means I have to now go for the actual question. Otherwise, whatever on the blackboard I have given to is okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Now I'll go for the what? So just now we got information that molar conductance will be what? Definitely multiplying with this. Yes, it is x plus 2z minus 2y. It is there. So if this I am converting into equivalent conductance, so yes, equivalent conductance is molar conductance by n factor. So yes, based upon this. So based upon the given information, yes, it is third option only. But I'm not bothered regarding this question. I am bothered regarding whatever I have given on the blackboard that you followed, not followed.
Followed, sir.
That is important. Now coming for the last question of this type. Now coming for question number 81. Page number 203, objective 1. First you try yourself and then I'll help you.
The third option.
Yes, third option.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Yes, third option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clearly, they have given the value for the calcium. For the calcium, the value given is 118.88 into 10 to the power of -4 per mole. And we are having calcium 1 mole only. We are having calcium 1 mole only. Let us go for the Cl minus. For the Cl minus, whatever the value they have given, it is not for the 2 moles. They have given the value only for the 1 mole. Check, they have given the word per mole. Per mole means it is 77.33 into 10 to the power of -4 is the value of the lambda Cl minus. But we don't want lambda Cl minus. We want 2 into lambda Cl minus, therefore multiplying with the 2. So adding this one, and yes, on adding you will get third option only, and that is nothing but 273.54 into 10 to the power of the -4. Any doubt in question 81?
No, sir.
Now all the sample questions over, and now I'm very sure that you won't face any problem to solve the questions. Now each and every question will be cakewalk for you. Now coming for topic electrolysis. Coming for electrolysis. Electrolysis is a theory part, mostly a theory part. And from theory part, understanding part. From theory, understanding. Numerical part is Faraday's laws. Numerical part is about Faraday's laws, it is there. Let us go for electrolysis. So what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is maybe process or maybe phenomenon. The process or a phenomenon of decomposition of electrolyte or chemical substances. The process or phenomenon of decomposition of electrolyte or chemical substance into its constituent particles, means constituent ions, and subsequent discharge of that constituent ions on the respective electrode is called as an electrolysis. It is there. So if I am going for AB is a fused form of the electrolyte, it is there. This breaks into A plus and the B minus. So this undergoes a decomposition and transform into the constituent ions, one part over. Now these constituent ions are subsequent undergoing discharge at the respective electrode. Cathode it is there, anode it is there. Cation will come towards cathode, anions will come towards anode, and you are beginner. For beginners, I am teaching you, whenever you are writing the electrode reaction, first always write reaction for the anode. You will never get confusion in life. For beginners, if you are getting mastery, then you write any equation first, any equation second, problem is not there. But beginners should always start from the anodic reaction only. So at anode, an ion will come. And earlier I have taught you at anode, always oxidation occurs. At cathode, always reduction occurs. So this I have taught you last week. Whatever may be the sign convention of the cathode and the anode in electrolytic cell or the galvanic cell, at anode, always oxidation. At cathode, always reduction occurs. Keeping this fact in the mind, this is undergoing subsequent discharge and it is losing one electron. This loss of the one electron is nothing but oxidation. Whatever the electron is lost, same is the number of electron gained. If 10 is the electron lost, 5 is not gained. If 10 is lost, 10 will be only gained to maintain electrical neutrality. And here we are getting one electron and it is becoming a A plus is becoming A, B minus is becoming B. It is nothing but subsequent discharge. It is there. This phenomenon or the process is called as an electrolysis. It is there. And in this electrolysis, oxidation is occurring and reduction is occurring. Both are occurring simultaneously. And that is the reason why electrolysis is the example of redox reaction. No need of copying. Everything is there in the PDF file, and therefore it is called as a redox reaction. Whatever this electrolysis it is there, this I have taught you last week. In electrolysis, delta G is a positive. So electrolytic reactions never occurs by themselves. As they never occurs by themselves, that is the reason why we are passing potential difference from outside. That is the reason why we are applying EMF from outside or the potential difference from the outside. So therefore, electrolytic reactions are what having delta G positive it is there. They are non-spontaneous reactions are there. They never occurs by themselves. They are occurring only when we are applying force, and this force is nothing but our EMF. It is there. Now coming for the next point, if I'm going for the point number 4, the device or the apparatus in which electrolysis occurs, that device or the apparatus is called as an electrolytic cell. It is there. So just electrolytic cell. This is the device or the apparatus. This is the device or the apparatus in which electrolysis is occurring, is called electrolytic cell. This may be made up of a glass, as simple as a glass. Nowadays, glass it is not used. In good olden days, they used to take electrolytic cell made up of the glass only for electrolysis of water. When electrolysis of water is occurring, then going for the glass. Now it is made up of maybe iron and maybe made up of the steel, mostly iron and the what steel it is there. Glass is rarely used nowadays. You can use glass now also, but if you are going for electrolysis of the only water, not any other chemical. And this electrolytic cell is consisting of 2 electrodes. These electrodes themselves is not having any name. Electrodes themselves is not having any name. To whichsoever the terminal of the battery you are combining, then they acquire sign convention. Then you will go on giving them name. Now suppose take example, if I am going for the negative, and if here I am going for the what positive it is there, and this is nothing but our battery or external source it is there. The terminal which is combined with negative, the terminal which is combining with negative terminal of the battery, this is called as a cathode. Which is combining with the positive terminal of the battery, it is nothing but called as a anode. So from this, it's very, very clear that according to the convention, cathode is having negative charge. According to the convention, anode is having positive charge. And that is the reason why during electrolysis, cation ions are coming towards cathode and anions are coming towards what? Anode it is there. And this cathode and the anode or both of the electrodes are there. They are partially immersed, not fully, they are partially immersed in electrolyte. They are partially immersed in electrolyte, it is there. And whatever this electrolyte, it is there. Electrolyte, maybe strong electrolyte, maybe weak electrolyte. This you know very well. A strong electrolyte means we are having strong acid, we are having strong base, and any salt. And the any salt it is there. Any means any salt it is there. Any means any salt it is there. And once I am going for the strong acid, I'll go for the aqueous solution of the acid. If I'm going for the base, I'll say aqueous solution of the base. If I'm going for the salt I will write maybe fused form or the molten form or maybe aqueous form. So from this, it's very clear. If I'm going for the weak electrolyte, in that only we are having weak acid and the weak base, aqueous solution. By observing aqueous, 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 and the fused or the molten, it very clearly indicates that electrolysis is not occurring when electrolyte is there in the solid form. Why?
Yes.
In the solid, very strong electrostatic force of attraction it is there, and therefore decomposition does not occur. Electrolysis means decomposition has to occur, and decomposition will occur only whenever we are having aqueous form it is there, fused form it is there, or the water molten form it is there, then only it occurs. Anyone doubt here?
No, sir.
No.
Sometime in the local examination, they are asking regarding the sign convention and direction. Sign convention and direction. So sign convention of the electrodes, just now I have given to you. And now I'll go for the electrons. From where electron is moving. So electron is entering in the internal circuit. It is called as an internal circuit through the cathode. Moving out in external circuit through that of the water anode it is there. So question is this way comes. Electron moves from anode to cathode through external circuit. Electrons moves from anode to cathode through external circuit. Then this we are having idea, electron and the conventional current from 10th class having idea. Electron and conventional current, they always moves in opposite direction. The direction of the movement of the electron and conventional current is not in same direction. It is there in the opposite direction. So if electron is moving from anode to the cathode, then conventional current is moving from cathode to the anode through external circuit. Very, very common question coming in the local examination regarding the movement of the electron and the movement of the water. Conventional current it is there. Anyone doubt?
Sir, but the electron won't move from the anode to the cathode.
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
Electron won't move from the anode to the cathode, right?
It is circuit here. From anode to cathode it is moving.
Okay.
What is anode? Anode is nothing but loss of electron. This is nothing but loss of electron is occurring.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
You are overlapped with the normal current. It is electrolytic cell. It is an electrolytic
Yes.
cell. It is there.
Yes, got it.
This is nothing but cathode. At cathode, reduction occurs. What is reduction? Gain of electron. Electron is gained.
Yes, sir.
Now coming for the electrodes. Now coming for electrodes. Point is 4th only. Still I am in point number 4th. Definitely electrodes are the cathode and the anode only. In that there is no miss. Nothing it is there. But electrodes are broadly of two types. Active electrodes and inert electrodes. Mostly we will come across inert electrode only. Active electrode is experimental condition or situational condition. Depending upon the situation, depending upon the condition, the electrode will become active electrode. So that condition we have to specify. If conditions are not specified, then we will assume electrode is a what? Inert electrode only it is there. And in the active electrode, we are having copper, it is there, nickel, it is there, silver, it is there, etc. In the future, I will teach you how copper, nickel, and the silver, because it is an experimental condition or situational condition. Situation I have to create, situation I have to give, then only they are behaving as an active. Now coming for inert electrode. Inert electrode, platinum, carbon, you say carbon, or you say graphite, or you say iron. These are the some of the good example of the inert electrodes are there. In them, platinum is the best one. In them, platinum is the best one. Now question arises, what is the basic difference between the inert electrode and the active electrode? Inert electrode is just like those boys and girls whose job is to only listen the class, enjoy the class, and become doctor. They won't participate in anything. Some boys and girls are there, in addition to their job, they are very active in extracurricular activities. वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है. So these type of the boys and girls are called as an active electrodes are there. Called as an active electrodes are there. So job of the electrode is only to behave as a medium. Yes, only to behave as a medium, taking electron from the cathode side and throwing electron from the anode side. This is the only job of the electrodes are there. That's all. Electrodes won't participate in electrochemical. They themselves on them reaction occurs, but they themselves won't participate in any electrochemical reaction. They are called as inert electrodes. The active electrodes are those electrodes, they are doing their original job. What is original job? Behaving as a medium, from cathode side taking the electron, from anode side throwing the electron. In addition to their job, they are participating in electrochemical reactions also. They are called as an what? Active electrodes are there. So active electrodes will do their original job as a medium. In addition to that, they will participate in the electrochemical reactions. It is there. Another understanding point. On the cathode, reduction occurs. On the anode, oxidation occurs. Oxidation occurs. And that is the reason why, as here oxidation occurs, so that is the reason why this is also called dissolving or dissolution. So on the anode, oxidation occurs, or dissolving occurs, or dissolution occurs. On the cathode, as reduction is occurring, and that is the reason why also called as deposition occurs on the cathode. So on the cathode, deposition is occurring. Why deposition is occurring? Because the reaction occurring on the cathode is what? Reduction reaction, it is there. This deposition and dissolution I have given you last week also, when I have taught you difference between the metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. In
Yes.
metallic conductor, I have taught you there is no loss in mass, it is there. There is no loss or the gain in the mass, it is there. Or mass transfer is not there. But in the electrolytic, I have taught you mass transfer is there. There I have mentioned that cathode is gaining the weight and the anode is what? Losing its weight, it is there, because of the type of the reaction. So now time is not there. I can't go for the new topic. So whatever the other points are there, what is discharge potential, electrolysis of the water. Then I have given you discharge potential orders of the cation. I have given orders of the, and I have given that you have to remember. Whatever the cationic order and the anionic order, it is there. It is experimental order. For that, there is no shortcut trick. There is no shortcut trick, it is there. Just you have to remember as it is. No, sir, if I'm not remembering, very simple, you won't get marks. Very simple, you won't get marks. So that you have to remember. Then only you will get the idea whose discharge potential is more or whose discharge potential is less. It won't take more time. It will take 10 to 15 minutes time. And after 10 or 15 minutes, then I might have given you a table you will observe in the PDF file. Some number of columns I might have given to you: electrolyte, cathode,
Yes,
anode,
sir.
Yes,
cathodic reaction, anodic reaction. That is important from examination point of view. But that you will understand on only if this ABCD you will understand. So tomorrow I'll complete that table. Okay? Come
Yes.
with a slight preparation, then only you will enjoy the class. Let us meet tomorrow at same time. Beta, see you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, beta. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.